In this level, Alex is looking in front of her right here to the right direction. I need to turn her first, and then I need to move forward in order to get to the box. So first, I'm not going to repeat until goal move forward. First, I need to turn. That's my first goal. So turn right is the first block. And then I need to move forward. How many times do you think I need to move forward? So let's check it out. Let's solve the pattern without the repeat block first. 1, 2. Correct? So then I will have to put the blocks inside the repeat and then attach it again. Let's give it a try. In this level, I have to move with the boat until the fish. But if I notice that this looks like the stair steps or the upside down L, this is one L, this is the second L. So first, I'm going to solve the first pattern over here. Repeat, how many times? 1, 2, 3. So I need to use the repeat, the normal repeat, in order to move forward. That's my first goal. After the boat moves forward, it has to turn over here to the right direction. So this is my first pattern. Let's check it out. And then it has to go 1, 2, 3 steps this way as well. Since it's an L, we always remember that when you have an L, you start it with repeat right, you put repeat left in the second one. This is how you solve the L's. Always opposite directions are the rotation, the turn. We are going to repeat the same until we reach the goal. In this level, we have a maze that we need to walk in order to reach the box. So, of course, we are not going to use many repeats. We need to use one repeat, that is the repeat until goal. And they already gave me the code right here. So I only need to put blocks inside this. So let's think about it. If path to the right, if my path is to the right, which is like that, I need to turn to the right. So what should I do? I should turn right. So let's run. In this level, I need to move with the boat until I reach the fish as well. So I'm going to have to repeat the same pattern that we used in the previous level. First, we start with the repeat until goal, because we are going to repeat actions until we reach our goal. Second, what should we do all the time? We should move forward. So all the time we are going to repeat move forward. And if we had a path to the right, so I'm going to put this right here, I need to turn right. It seems that I did not change the arrow over here. So I click on it, change it to the right, run.